Schlage smart locks, especially the Encode Plus, seamlessly integrate with Apple HomeKit, offering remote control, automation, and enhanced security. This video provides a step-by-step guide to pairing your Schlage lock with Apple Home for iOS 17 Plus or iPadOS 16 Plus. HomeKit is Apple's smart home ecosystem for controlling devices via the Home app or Siri. The Matter protocol allows cross-brand compatibility, letting devices from different manufacturers work together seamlessly. Recent Schlage updates ensure full Matter compliance with firmware 4.2, enabling seamless pairing with HomeKit hubs like HomePod Mini or Apple TV 4K. First, ensure your Schlage lock is powered on and within Bluetooth range, about 10 feet. Then activate pairing mode by pressing the Schlage button on the keypad until the lights flash, which takes 5 to 10 seconds. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is running iOS 17 or later. First, test your setup by manually locking and unlocking the door to confirm successful pairing. Next, create automations in the Home app, such as lock when I leave using Siri or the Home app interface. Finally, customize settings within the Schlage app for optimal performance and security, such as access codes and auto lock features. Enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security when accessing your Schlage lock remotely. Stay updated with firmware releases for the latest features and security patches. Expect future trends to include AI-driven automation and advanced biometric options for Schlage locks within the HomeKit ecosystem.